Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode here on this channel. Today we are here in the north of Norway and hope we have a lot of fun and also you watching it. %59% and the battery is going down very fast because it's cold and it's not charged 100%, so not recommend flying like this. After a 3-hour drive from the Lyngen Alps here to Senja, we eat some lunch or dinner and then we're going on a hike, not to Segla but to a different spot and hopefully having a good sunset. This is the first stop here in Senja. And I fly my drone to show you the beauty of the landscape here. I don't reach the summit before sunset and so I decided to fly my drone one more time. Currently 7:30 p.m. and it's not only filming, it's also sorting the data, and yeah, that's the part nobody sees, but it has to be done. And yeah. Ein geiles Bild, der Holtipap. Norway is just beautiful. It's the people are nice, the landscape is nice. It's more like an open space. When you travel like in autumn and not during the high season, you get the landscape all for yourself, and in autumn the colors are way better than in every other season. So while editing, I'm always taking out a look for northern lights, but it's still too bright and too early in the night, so we're waiting another hour and maybe we see some northern lights afterwards. So we just woke up in the van here next to the Stedinten and it's very cold. It has -1 degrees and yeah, the streets are slippery. Hopefully we don't have an accident today. We just had breakfast here at our sunrise spot and we're still waiting for the sun. It's currently 9 AM and the sun is still not here. So the sun is here and I'm doing my FPV flight and hopefully I won't crash it. Yesterday we had a hard time to decide what we want to do in the evening, and luckily we made the right decision. We stayed here far from light pollution and civilization to capture the northern lights, and they went crazy. I stayed up until 3 AM and had around about 4 hours of sleep. So we just got the opportunity to stay in a very special place tonight. Perfect. After a beautiful night with northern lights, we finally managed to come here to this beautiful cabin, and we will stay one night here and enjoy the view, and hopefully we get some northern lights here as well. After 3 days in the car, we finally made it here to our location, and now we're going for a sunset hike. Geil. So we made it in half an hour. It's around about 200 vertical meters, and now we're going to fly the drone, and Christian is also time-lapsing here. And yeah, afterwards we sleep in the car in the valley and continue our journey tomorrow.